Whenever you're dividing by 100, you can take the decimal place and move it twice to your left to get your answer. So since this is 100x equals 1200, we're still going to divide by 100. That way we can get x by itself. These two cancel themselves out. So we have x equals 1200 divided by 100. And since we're dividing by 100, I can move my decimal spot 2 places to the left to get my answer. So my decimal would be right here. I'm going to move it over 1, 2. That equals 12. X equals 12. But this is not my answer. This is just however many cookies my husband ate. So remember, we're looking for amount of change. So this is my amount of change. Okay? So now what we have to do is we've got to figure out how many cookies I ended up with after my husband ate 12. So in order to figure out your new amount, okay, if it's a decrease, you're going to take the original amount and subtract it by your amount of change, okay? If it's an increase, you're going to take your original amount and you're going to add your amount of change, okay? So we need to look at our word problem. It says that it was decreased, so we're going to follow this one right here. You need to figure out what your original amount was. That's going to be up here in your problem. That's 48. And the amount of change, which is how many cookies he ate, which is 12. And we're going to subtract those. So 8 minus 2 is 6. And 4 minus 1 is 36. So my new amount is 36 cookies. So I baked 48. My husband ate 25%. So I ended up with 36 cookies.